Who can identify that car? There's a bottle of wine in it for you. It's a Ford Cortina. Oh my gosh. I'll pour the wine over your head. It is a Holden. It is a Holden, not a Ford. It's a Gemini. It's a 1980 Gemini. That is me in about 1992. The reason you may not have been able to identify the car is that it's you won't necessarily be able to see it very well. But all down here, the Holden logo had fallen off, and all of that fallen off. And this bonnet, you can't actually see it, but I crashed it into the back of a police car. Not one of my finest moments. That was the car I wanted to get. I don't actually have a car either. But what does that all lead to? And we've already spoken about it. It leads to a series of 15 kids' books. Now, how do kids' books relate to re-engineering your business model? On my kids' books site, so I hadn't written a single legal book until I'd written about 3 or 4 kids' books. The first few kids' books were absolutely terrible. Some of them took over 12 months to produce. They were very, very dodgy. We went through dozens of graphics designers, editors, copy editors, you name it, we were going through that. But it was all in an environment, you won't have even seen that site. That's the website we built. It's got its own store. It's got its own blog. Find what you can do in your life to go and make some mistakes without anyone ever even knowing about it. And then use that to build into your real business. So Berkshire Hathaway talk about, we don't want to have to do a running jump over a 10-foot hurdle. We just want a little half-a-foot hurdle and we'll just walk over it. And kids' books, for me, was my half-a-foot hurdles in an environment that not a single person could ever have a shot at me. But it's then built the building blocks to go and do a whole lot of far more interesting things, and some would say become an outlier.